the route of the electric current from the photovoltaic system in the house without breaking the walls. We recommend that the work be done by an electrician. Show him this video and he will know what to do. What you see here is schematic, but not connected to the solar panels. The outside outlet is normally powered from the city network, but we will change this. First, look for an exterior socket or light bulb. Step 2. Now turn off the current from outside the yard, or from the entrance. Turn electricity off from main switch of your home electrical fuse panel. Check that there is no current at all. Very important. You can seriously injure yourself if you don't check the first time. Install two-way source inversor, or better special two sources automatic switch. Install another circuit breaker for PV current, but this is optional. Step 3. Look for the fuse that is related to the socket, or the external light bulb, that you have decided to use. If you don't know which one it is, then use a multimeter to check electrical continuity. If you still can't figure out how to find out which cable it is, then we recommend you look in our app, PV Workshop Sim, which has a section where it shows you how to check broken cables. This technique can be used to detect the outside cable. Use a long cable of solar panels, see if it is not defective as shown in the app, then use it. If you have found out which cables are coming from outside, we can continue. These operations are done without electricity in the installation. Install the switch with two sources or a source changer. Remove the cables from the breaker of the outside socket, and mount them to the changer. Remove the cables from the main entrance grid. And move them to the source changer as well. Connect a cable from the inverter to the outlet, or directly to the cable of the outlet, or light bulb. But let's recap what we've done so far, shall we? If we turn on the current from the mains, we will have electricity only up to the source changer. If we turn on the inverter as well, we have the same current up to the source changer. What should be done next? Turn off both sources, or if they were not open, we leave them like that. Now simple, we make the last connection from the changer to all the fuses in the panel. That was all there was to do. We wish you success.